Hey guys, in this video I'll be unboxing Samsung Galaxy M30. So opening the box, firstly we have this leaflet which consists of some documentation. Next we have the phone, and also in the box we have the USB-C cable and a power adapter. Final item in the box is this SIM ejector tool. Next, in terms of physical overview, on the front here we have the water drop notch which houses the camera and earpiece. Then down here we have on-screen buttons. To the right we have power and volume buttons. To the left we have SIM card slot. To the bottom we have a 3.5mm headphone jack, USB-C port, noise cancelling microphone and speaker. To the top there is a secondary noise cancelling microphone. On the back we have the triple camera setup with flash, and next to that is the fingerprint scanner. I personally am not a big fan of this oval shaped fingerprint scanner. This particular variant comes in this grey and black gradient. It is very subtle and understated design language. Most people won't even notice this for a certain period of time. Coming to internals, in terms of storage, it has 64GB of internal storage, out of which about 50GB is available out of the box, and it has 4GB of RAM. And unfortunately this phone is running Android Oreo out of the box, which is really disappointing. Next, in terms of security, the fingerprint scanner unlocks the phone instantly. Then coming to face unlock, it also unlocks the phone immediately. Next, in terms of weight, it weighs at just 174 grams. Wow, for a phone with a 5000 mAh battery, this phone is so light to hold in the hand and also not too thick on the sides. This is what I'm impressed by the most when I first started using the M30. I've also quickly shot some camera samples, and this is how they turned out. These are shot indoors and this is under studio lighting conditions. These are the selfie shots, and initial impression is that the pictures are really sharp, but in some instances it softens the face, so we'll have to see how it goes in the long run. If you have any questions or video requests regarding Samsung Galaxy M30, let me know in the comments down below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss my future videos. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.